Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Trust Stanley from Tech Talk. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to check your background data and which application is using the most data on the background, and also you can also turn them off to stop using your background data so that you will be able to save up more data instead of losing them. Alright, this is most important because background data, it's always expensive in Nigeria. So data is always expensive in Nigeria, so we really have to watch out for that. And then, in order to take control of this, we have to off some background data so that it won't be consuming a lot of data from us. And then, to also enable us to use more of our data. Alright, in this tutorial, all we have to do, we don't need to install an application on this. Initially, I used Datally for the formal application, but right now I'm just going to use a manual application. And you should also know that it's not this application, this feature is not included in every phone. It's actually limited in some phones, and the latest, I think it depends on the OS OS version that is running on the mobile phone. So you should watch out for this. If you don't have this feature, just go ahead and download Datally or Opera Mass. Alright, in doing this, I have to just go to settings. This is settings right here. Click on it to open it. Then scroll down to data usage. Then just below the set limit, you'll see something called background data. Just go ahead and click on the background data and wait for it to load. It's going to load up all the application that is running on your background right now, currently. So once it's loaded, it's going to show you how many megabytes they've consumed. Just below, you can see that this one is consuming 0.00, meaning it's not consuming any data. These are not consuming any data, so you don't need to worry about them. But our Chrome is consuming 59 kilobytes of the data, which is not much. We can just leave that alone. And then this Facebook is consuming 1.21 megabytes, so we should just off it so that it won't be running on background. We can only use it once we are online, and this application is also not that important to me, this one also. So every application that is not that important, but what advice is to leave your Gmail on, which is actually going to control it. And then your Google, you should also leave it, it's not consuming enough. And then every application which are not relevant, so it's just off them, and whenever you're ready, just turn them right on. Then once you open the application, you'll be active and then you'll be using it, so you don't need to panic in offing your applications. It just saves you more data. And you can notice that WhatsApp is consuming, but most times WhatsApp is important, so this one we are making use of it. And then also our WordPress, I'm actually not using WordPress right now, so I'm going to turn that off. So you could also do this for any application you prefer, you really don't want to be running or consuming data for you. So in this, you'll be able to know which application are consuming more data and which are not. So alright, that's all for this application, for this particular tutorial. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to get more of my video. And in the next video, I'll be showing you guys more things to know. And then thanks again for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And also, when you scroll down, you can also see some of these features. I'm really not going to show you that because it's not that all important. Alright, thanks again, because I'm not accurate, for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe.